Hi, welcome to Whisk. My name is Don Herenchief, and Whisk is a store for advocates of cooking. We do things for the kitchen and for entertaining. Our brand words are learn, cook, and entertain. We are a very curated cooking store. We also have a cooking school which is attached to the store. We do classes every day of the week, twice a day, with the exception of Monday. We do all sorts of cuisines. We have 14 different chef instructors who make and cook their own recipes. It's a full meal and the food is absolutely delicious. We like to think of it as a fun place to have a date night or a special occasion for family and friends.
If you are mixing your dough by hand, so let's say the stick case does not exist, you will mix your wet into your dry. Okay? We're not mixing it by hand, we're using the machine, so it's the other way around. It's going to be dry into wet.